Max, what's up? What's up? YouTube, TikTok, Merry Christmas Eve. We are live in here taking a look at the charts, quick market update. Thank you for coming in, taking the time. Appreciate all of you guys. We just had the Sologenic snapshot take place. Okay, the price on our little Sologenic dumped down to $1.38, since recovered up to $2. And that was to be expected. We were calling for that dump to occur. So that kind of happened as planned. XRP also took a little bit of a dump today right now, right? We're at 89 cents where we wicked down to, but we're still holding 91 cents right now for our XRP. What's up? What's up? Hope everyone's doing fantastic. Our Bitcoin, the little Bitcoin, is at 50,900. Okay, still hovering between 50,000 and 51, but it has not broken that 52K that we've been talking about. Let's take a quick look at the charts. So we're not getting too excited yet. I was expecting a little dump between now and the end of the year. We're on the 15-minute chart here for Bitcoin. As you can see, we cannot break that 52K level. Let's go to the one-day chart. We're struggling to break the 200 moving average. So that's where we're at with Bitcoin right now. Struggling to break that. So that's where we're at. Where's the rest of the market at? Let's take a look here. Thank you for coming in tonight. Appreciate all of you guys. Love everyone who banks on one coin like XRP. That's ridiculous. I don't bank on one coin. It is my biggest investment, no doubt. But you tell me what's going to run the new financial system, right? If you have it figured out, let me know what it's going to be. I'd love to hear from you. What's up, Joe? How's it going, brother? Merry Christmas to you as well. Thoughts on Cardano? Good project. Probably going to get sued by the SEC. Cardano is a prime target for the SEC to sue. They did their ICO over in Japan. YouTube, I'm going to be checking your comments as well. If you guys want to drop any comments down below, we'll make sure we hit those up. Will XRP drop to 80 cents by Saturday? Major support at 76 cents for XRP. If we do get the pullback that I'm looking for, I want to clarify that is just going to be about a 10% pullback for Bitcoin. Goes down to about the 46, 47K level. Your altcoins are going to go much harder. They're going to drop 20 to 30%. And for XRP, we can drop another 23, 25%, I think is what I had. And we're still going to hold 76 cents for XRP. Good time to scoop up the dip if we get it. There's not a bunch of leverage in this market, so it doesn't necessarily have to have a huge liquidation event like we had in December, early December. That was because there was so much leverage, so many longs placed, and so the market makers, the whales, they just liquidated everyone that had set all those longs, expecting us to go on to this euphoric blow off top in December. They just ripped that right out from underneath us. Is Solo going to get deposited into Uphold? I believe so. I believe so. I believe so. Yeah. So we had the Solo snapshot. The airdrop will happen on January 20th. If you didn't sign up for that, it is too late at this point. If you are holding Sologenic, you will receive another airdrop. If you continue to hold, there's going to be a quorum airdrop occurring over the next year for the Sologenic holders. I've dumped all my Sologenic, full disclosure. I just want to be out in the open for you guys. I was very transparent about my plan the whole time. I said I moved some XRP over to Sologenic. I was going to catch the pump in anticipation of the airdrop. And then I moved back to XRP. I held no Sologenic for the snapshot. I've completely exited out of Sologenic, made a couple thousand XRP by doing that. So that worked out well. I don't know if Binance did the airdrop. I'm not sure. I don't have the full list and information on who all's doing it and all that. I encourage you guys to go head on over to Sologenic's Twitter. There's a lot of information there. I was looking at this chart that someone posted. This is Sologenic, and it did break through this. He's showing that Sologenic is still in an uptrend. Not financial advice. You guys can take a look and chart out Sologenic yourself. But thank you, John, for that snow globe gift. I appreciate that. Thank you for tapping the screen, guys, and sharing the stream. Christmas Eve session. Let's get it, Got to take a look at the markets here before Santa arrives. We're going to be opening our Christmas presents tomorrow, and then that's when the market's going to take a dump. Thank you, everyone. Appreciate you for coming in. YouTube, thank you. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas. Will XRP drop to 80 cents or lower by Sunday? There's no telling, man. I'm expecting a pullback between now and the end of the year. And if Bitcoin takes a 10% dump, the altcoins are going to go 20 or 30%. That would take XRP back to that 80 cent level. So be ready for that. What else is happening? When's XRP going to move? I've just dropped some YouTube videos explaining I'm expecting an XRP pump in January. The exchanges have been getting a bunch of XRP from Ripple. So we're expecting a pump next month for XRP. Looking good. Looking good. At what time do you move back from the snapshot? I already moved all my Sologenic to XRP before the snapshot occurred. Will it make any difference if we transfer our XRP off Uphold to a cold wall after the snapshot? No, Johnny, I think you're safe to move it. The snapshots occurred, you're safe to move it. The only thing that you should be holding if you want would be Sologenic if you want the Quorum airdrop. Other than that, there is nothing stopping you from moving your XRP back to your cold storage. XRP is sleeping? Yep, XRP is sleeping. If you can't handle it, maybe it's not for you. Go chase the memes, go chase the NFTs. If you want to take Joshua Jake's advice, you can go buy Bitcoin and give your family members Bitcoin for Christmas. If you want to follow the pump and dump groups like the Crypto Night group, you can just follow whatever they're pumping. Whatever they get paid to promote, I recommend following the money. So when you see the Crypto Night group announce that they're doing a paid partnership, okay, you can catch that pump, take your money and run. Take your money and run because they're going to dump on you. Wait for the meme coins and the pump and dumps to get pushed by the influencers. Take your money and run. Pretty sound advice, I would say. Time and time again, we watch it happen over and over again. When do I think XRP is going to have a massive pump? January. The space is dead, guys. Straight up, look at this whole space. It's dead right now. The Bitcoin bull run is over. It's time for the altcoins, and they're still doing their thing. The altcoins are doing their thing, but overall, this market is going into a bear market. The space is dead. Have you seen Luna? Yes, I've seen Luna. I hope you took profits because this thing, guys, is not going to last much longer. I'm advising everyone to take your profits on all of these coins as they pump in this stage of the bull run. You need to take your profits and ladder out of your positions. Okay, there's not going to be another 10 trillion coming into this market. There's not going to be another 3 trillion. This market will not double again. Bitcoin topping at 69K was the top. That was the indicator. It's not popular to say. Avalanche doing good. Yes, it's down 5% today, but it has recovered pretty well. I've been telling everyone to ladder out of these altcoins that are moving. The liquidity is moving from Bitcoin and Ethereum into these altcoins. There's not much liquidity left, though, to pump these coins up. They've already had incredible moves this year for many of the altcoins. I am only invested into coins that have not hit their all-time high this bull run besides XDC. That's the only coin that I hold that hasn't already hit its bull run. It hasn't already topped out again. XRP isn't going past $4 until the lawsuit is over, 100% guaranteed. All right, make your bet. Have fun staying poor. Sell all your XRP if that's how you feel. Chase the memes. Chase the memes. Chase bullshit NFTs. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me in the slightest. If you think XRP's dead, buy meme coins. Put it into Matic. Maybe Matic will do something for you. You hold XRP because you bought high? Couldn't be farther from the truth, my friend. I packed up my whole bag under 30 cents. And my bag's fat. So I'm chilling, doing just fine. Doesn't matter to me if the lawsuit ends next month or in a year. My bags are packed. Matic number one. Matic's a solid project. I'm just making fun of the rest of these projects that, you know, they just don't get me excited. You'd get the signals in the Discord. Yeah, if you guys want to join my Discord, linked up in the bio. It's funny that people think I bought the top. Zach is a joke. Thank you for coming in and giving us the feedback. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Why did it drop 10% today? Because the airdrop happened and we were expecting it to drop. We were expecting it to drop 10%. I was telling everyone that Solo was going to tank even harder. I said XRP is going to drop, but it has a better chance of recovering, which is what happened. It only went down to 89 cents, back up to like 91, 92 cents right now. But I was saying Solo is going to dump hard. And what did it do? From almost $4 down to $1.38. And that's why I took all my profits. That's why I sold out of Sologenic before the snapshot. I didn't time the top, and that's what this is about. It's not about timing the top. It's about taking your money and run before the liquidity squeeze happens. Please show us your XRP buying cost. Yeah, I mean, I don't know why. Can't you guys come up with something better than that? Than saying that I bought all-time highs? Can't you come up with something better than that? It's pretty pathetic. The haters these days have been so pathetic. I think they're mad because their coins are done pumping. I think they're also mad because they can't afford 10,000 XRP. They can't afford 2,000 XRP to even get in the top 10% of bag holders. Not knocking anyone who has just a few thousand XRP. Whatever you got, that's great. I'm addressing the haters and naysayers who don't understand what's happening right now. I did buy it high. What's the highest that I bought XRP at? $1. I think I did buy some at $1.20. $500 worth on Uphold. But I stacked tens of thousands below 30 cents. Below 20 cents. What's Stellar down to 27 cents? I'm not holding any Solo for the airdrop. It already happened, guys. The snapshot occurred. That's already done. I hold no Sologenic right now. YouTube, TikTok, I appreciate you guys for coming in tonight. I've just been hitting YouTube really hard lately. So if you guys haven't already checked out my most recent videos on YouTube, been dropping the sauce over here on YouTube. All right, so we got this hater in the chat. Please show us your XRP average buying cost to your audience. I'm putting my hand on my heart. I can go grab my Bible. I'll put my hand on the Bible. I stacked tens of thousands of XRP below 30 cents. I don't know what your problem is, you little haters, you little trolls. What do I have to prove to you? Thanks for the Solo airdrop trust line setup video. Yeah, I hope that you guys participate in the snapshot if that's what you were looking to do. I appreciate that. Big Parabolic showed up. Is he gonna give us some of that Some of that crypto money that he's been making over there. Oh, we got the Merry Christmas. I appreciate that. What time was the snapshot? The snapshot was at noon Pacific Standard Time. That would be 3 o'clock Eastern. Look at, the 2020 portal. You know what the 2020 portal is, Parabolic? We're going into a new financial system, a new world. The 2020 portal. Look at Parabolic, make it rain. Thank you. Thank you, Chris. Appreciate those gifts, brother. Appreciate you handing out some money, doing the giveaways on TikTok, giving back to the people. We appreciate that. I'm gonna give back after XRP goes. I got no money to give now. I'm a broke XRP bag holder. But once XRP moons, I'll give back. The snapshot is done, guys. If you didn't already get in on it, you've missed it. So the snapshot for Sologenic was at noon on the Pacific Standard Time. So it's already happened 3 hours ago. If you weren't in it, you missed it. Do I exclusively hold XRP? No. No. I hold XRP, XLM, XDC, Electronium, and Casino Coin. Those are my 5 holdings. I'm going to exit all of those positions besides XRP probably over the next month. Looking to catch this altcoin pump next month, and then I will exit out of all of those positions besides XRP. We don't know what the ratio of the airdrop is for Sologenic yet. What did they announce here? Over the next 7 days, it looks like he says, we will announce the ratio after processing the data and due diligence within the next 7 days. The first core snapshot will be announced after the December 31st. So the quorum snapshot will occur sometime between now and the end of the year. Why does the World Economic Forum mention XRP on their website one time? I like XRP, but is this maybe a trap? Here's the thing. Ripple has been sitting down at the meetings that matter. They've been sitting down with the Bank of International Settlements. They've been sitting down with SWIFT. They've been sitting down with over 50 central banks across the world. They've been sitting down with the World Economic Forum. XRP is a cryptocurrency chosen to run the new financial system. If XRP appreciates in value to $100, is it too expensive for banks to use? No. No, it's not. No. SWIFT needs to settle over $1 quadrillion per year across its network. 11,000 financial institutions settling $5 trillion daily. So they need XRP at a higher price to provide the liquidity for that market. I just dropped my ultimate XRP equation video on TikTok and YouTube. You guys can check it out. I said I'll let all the smart guys on TikTok who think they're, smarty pants and got this thing figured out, you plug the numbers into the equation and let me know what XRP is going to go to. Okay? You take the percentage of SWIFT that's going to be settled on XRP divided by the number of XRP that SWIFT is going to have for its payment rails. So let's say SWIFT is a $5 trillion daily volume. Let's say the XRP is only going to settle 20% of that. So that would be $1 trillion, right? We divide 5 by 5. That gives us $1 trillion. Okay? Then let's say that SWIFT is only going to have 10 billion XRP to settle their network. That would be your equation. It would be $1 trillion divided by 10 billion XRP. Whatever that calculation is, that's a hypothetical number. But I dropped that equation. You guys can plug in the numbers. Okay, don't just listen to me. I'm not here to offer you financial advice. I'm here to give you the equation. I'm here to show you that SWIFT already included XRP in a patent. Worst case scenario for XRP, we only settle a small percentage of Swift, right? We only settle a small percentage of the new financial system. And here's the thing about that equation is that is just for the one use case, which is cross-border payments. Relatively big use case, $5 trillion daily, over $1 quadrillion per year. However, that is just one use case. You also have a derivatives market that is also over $1 quadrillion. So you have to just take estimates. What percentage of the derivatives market will be settled on XRP? What percentage of cross-border payments through SWIFT will be settled on XRP? That's how you come to the calculations and make your XRP predictions. So if you don't like my price predictions, you can plug in your own numbers based off of your speculation. Mentalek says 28,000 is the floor for XRP to provide central bank payments. That does not include derivatives, Nostro and Vostro accounts, as well as tokenization of global debt, etc. I love that, Mentalek. Appreciate that comment. You know, you can mess with the figures as much as you want. You're gonna come to a 4 or 5 digit price to even get started. And remember, XRP is a deflationary asset. The supply is deflationary. We're burning a portion of XRP every time we use it. So if this thing is actually going to be used over the next 5, 10, 20 years, this is just the prices that we're going to have to start at to start providing liquidity for this new financial system. Derivatives is a $1.25 quadrillion alone. Yes, Kintama, you're correct. The conservative estimates put it at $500 trillion, but if you add everything in, it's over $1.25 quadrillion. Yep. So here's what I've been watching, guys. This daily chart for Bitcoin cannot break the 52K mark, so that's why I'm not getting excited here. We're just moving within this channel. Until we break above 52K, I'm not getting excited yet. Let's go look at Ethereum real quick, see what ETH's doing. Where was that? That's right. The all-time high for ETH was in, was that November 10th? Yeah. Can I show my holdings to prove who I am? Guys, I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to sell you guys. I don't do any fake influencer bullshit. Anyone who's been following me knows that. I tell you guys the truth about everything. I'm a simple guy. I run a landscape business. Landscape business does multiple 6 figures per year. I take a little salary from that. I invest into crypto. Other than that, I have no investments. Other than that, my strategy is very simple. That's who I am. I stacked tens of thousands of XRP over the last couple years, below 30 cents. I now hold a few other cryptos as well. I'm expecting the market to top out within the next month. I'm going to exit all of my positions besides XRP. That's my strategy. That's who I am. Nothing else to hide. Okay, yeah, was I going to check? Ethereum all-time high. Yeah, November 16th, 4,800. Right. So ETH has just been trending right here between 36, basically 3,700 and 4,100. Those are the two markers there for ETH right there. Moving within this channel as well. So nothing to get too excited about, but like I've been saying, we can pull back even for ETH here, 10% pullback, 11% pullback. We'll still be in this bullish posture. So it's still looking good. Did the snapshot happen for Sologenic? Yes, it did. What other platform am I live streaming on? Just TikTok, YouTube and TikTok. Yep, snapshot is done for Sologenic. If you missed it, I am sorry. There will be more to come. I'm sure there will be more airdrops coming. Thank you for tuning in, TikTok. Even the haters and trolls, thank you for coming in. I appreciate the feedback. All I'm doing is encouraging a conversation about what's actually going to run the new financial system. If you have evidence to prove to me that quant is the one, let's talk about it. Show me it. Let's have a conversation. Totally open to anything. Okay? Provide me your evidence, how you come to your hypothesis of Ethereum being the one. Ethereum being the end all be all. I was wrong again about Bitcoin topping out on December 4th. You're right. I was wrong about Bitcoin topping out on December 4th, but I perfectly called the fact that the Bitcoin bull run was over and that we would roll over in or around December 4th. I thought that another top was going to come in. I thought it was going to be at 72K for Bitcoin. That didn't happen. Okay. But what happened? The market did dump. The Bitcoin bull run is over. So if you were listening to me, you would have taken profits, okay, and then you would have exited if you held Bitcoin. We're still waiting for our altcoins to finish out, but many of them not expecting much to happen here with the rest of these cryptos that already hit their all-time high. I've been wrong about everything. Actually, the couple predictions that I've made that haven't come to fruition are still at play. So that's the best that you can hate on me for, is that my predictions just haven't played out yet, but they're still at play. But we perfectly called Bitcoin topping out and rolling over. I thought that another top was going to come in. I thought it was going to hit at least 72K. Didn't happen. But we rolled over. January will pump and an ETF will mark the top. If it comes in, I'll be super excited. If we go into a super cycle, I'll be super excited. Be happy to see it. The key thing about that prediction was I was telling you to watch out for that December 4th date. I was telling you that was the date to look out for. And what happened? One of the biggest liquidation events that we've had in cryptocurrency history. I thought that another top was going to come in, but that doesn't matter because the fact was that we rolled over. Billions of dollars got wiped out from the cryptocurrency space. The Bitcoin bull run is over. Unless a miracle happens. Am I out of altcoins right now? No. I hold XRP, XLM, Electroneum, Casino Coin, and XDC. XDC is the only coin that I hold that has already hit its all-time high this bull run. The other four have not hit their all-time high this bull run. That's why I'm holding them. Still expecting a 10x return on all four of those. Electroneum, Casino Coin, XLM, and XRP. The 4.236 Fibonacci extension for XRP and XLM takes XRP to $8, takes XLM to $3.50, give or take. 10x gains. Even if you were to buy, they're down. So if you buy them today, the return will be even better than 10x on some of those. But I appreciate you guys for coming in tonight, even the trolls and haters. Thank you for tapping the screen and sharing the stream. We're doing rapid fire Q&A. If you got a coin that I need to look at, it better not be some bullshit. I don't want to look at your bullshit coin. But if you have something solid, I'll take a look. Prediction for more subs. Yes, you are correct. None your biz. You are correct. The pandemic was planned. Economic collapse planned. I can't even say the rest of those because I'm going to get in trouble. But yes, all by design, everything is connected. And we've been calling it. We actually gave the full timeline on TikTok and YouTube. TikTok deleted it. It's reposted on my YouTube if you want to watch it. The complete template and timeline of the rollout. 6 stages. We're in the middle of it right now. Financial collapse set to occur between now and March. And that was confirmed by the Federal Reserve just 2 weeks ago when Jerome Powell told us that the pump ends in March and that he's going to raise interest rates 3 times next year. Timeline has been confirmed. What was that? Oh yeah, someone wanted me to look at Aave. What's Aave at? What's Aave doing? Where's it at? Gotta scroll on down and find it. I know it's down here somewhere. Maybe I missed it. Let's look here. Aave is ranked 45th. Up 10% today. Okay, cool. Yeah. What was the all-time high? Let's take a look here. This is how I gauge where these coins are going to finish off at. Wow. Okay, so it wrapped up at the 666, which I claim no negative energy from that price. But yeah, I mean, it's down 60% from that all-time high. It would be lucky to get back up there this bull run. Phantom. Do I think the XLM will take over XRP in the future? Absolutely not. 2 different use cases. XLM is front-end retail consumer end. XRP is back-end settlement layer wholesale payments. 2 different use cases. 2 different payment rails. Can you tell me more about XLM? But basically, I just gave it to you right there. XLM is meant for, I do think the XLM will get quite a few central bank digital currencies built on top of it. Quite a few central bank digital currencies will interoperate with XLM. XLM is meant for a front-facing retail consumer end, buy your coffee type of currency. XRP is meant for wholesale payment volumes, wholesale payment flows in the trillions of dollars. Can you explain why banks wouldn't use a stable coin instead of a volatile coin? The volatility risk is less with XRP than most stable coins because the transaction settles faster than the stable coins. So because it settles in 3 to 5 seconds, it is less volatile than a SWIFT transaction right now. SWIFT transaction can take 3 to 5 days. XRP 3 to 5 seconds. So your volatility risk is less when you calculate out your volatility risk in that transaction. It's less because the settlement time happens so quickly. What's up, Mike? Thank you for coming in. But why couldn't they make a stable coin like XRP to use? Well, it's like JPM coin. JP Morgan made their coin, but it's a walled garden. It's what we call a silo, okay? And it needs other people to trust JPM coin. Whereas XRP is a neutral bridge currency. No one controls it. Anyone can use it. Anyone can build on it. That's the difference between XRP and a stable coin like JPM coin. The other thing is that USDC or, we already know that Tether's a scam, but let's just talk about USDC, for example. That's backed by the dollar, which is an inflationary asset, which is a volatile asset, which fluctuates in price, right? That is the difference between a stablecoin and a settlement token like XRP. What is happening with JPM coin? I haven't heard of anyone adopting it or using it. That's what's happening with JPM coin. XRP is currency agnostic. Exactly. Yep. I love you guys' comments in the chat. You guys are awesome. When do I think this can really happen? It's already underway. Jerome Powell confirmed the timeline for next year. We're basically already in the middle of it. You're already seeing rampant inflation. Basically, Jerome Powell and the Fed is being backed into a corner. So we're already in the middle of it right now. You've heard of carrot coin. Man, my general rule is if I can't say a coin with a straight face without laughing, I don't invest in it. I don't even look at it. If I can't say it with a straight face, I don't participate. But I did miss out on the cat girl gains. I missed out on the, I don't know, what else? Floki Inu. The 4 other coins that I'm holding, XRP, XLM, XDC, Electronium, and Casino Coin. Big Ben, Casino Coin, let's take a look at it. It's down from where I bought it. I'm actually looking at actually adding to my position. It's at 0.0019. So it is down from where I bought it. But what's interesting about Casino Coin is if you look, the all-time high for Casino Coin was 54 cents. And right now we're trading at 1/10 of a penny. So Casino Coin's a very interesting setup. Very interesting setup. If XRP, which I believe it's going to pump here in the next month, if it goes, it's going to take Casino Coin with it. Casino Coin's built on the XRP ledger. When XRP goes, Casino Coin's going to go. And you can see, what is it down? Down 99.65% from that all-time high. Why XRP price going down? The whole market's kind of just moving sideways. XRP's down after the snapshot. We kind of anticipated that one. Let's look at Electronium too. This is why I'm holding these coins. If you look at Electronium, the all-time high was 23 cents. And right now we are trading at 1 cent. Every coin from the 2017 bull run that's still around, like a lot of coins just died off and they're no longer even here. But you got coins like Electronium and Casino Coin that were around last bull run and they're still kind of just hanging out, being suppressed. Every single coin from last bull run did a 3 to 5x from their previous all-time high last bull run. If you look at Bitcoin, topped out at 20K, what did it do? It did a 3x to 69K. You look at Ethereum, similar case. All of these coins did 3 to 5x or better from the previous all-time high. I'm not saying that they're going to do 3 to 5 times from their previous all-time high, but even if they stretch back out towards their all-time high, I mean, gosh, you can pick up the coin for 1 cent right now. All-time high was 23 cents, down 95% from that all-time high. Those are 2 little sleeper picks. Electronium is partnered with Ripple, so I'm expecting when XRP goes, Electronium's going to go as well. That's why I'm holding that one. We got the haters in the chat telling us that 3 to 5x isn't good. I understand, bro. I understand it's crypto. We all just make 10x gains and we're all whipping Lambos and rocking gold chains like Blockchain Boy. Getting even fatter. Show me your gains, man. If you made something better, let's see it. XRP down 10% on the day. What's the probability of Ripple losing the case? Absolutely zero. There's no chance. Because the CFTC, Commodities Futures Trading Commission, already deemed XRP a digital currency back in 2015. The worst case scenario is that they are able to slap Brad or Chris on the wrist with a fine. Worst case scenario. There's no way they lose. It's not even possible. Yeah, XRP is dropping because of the solo flash crash. Yes, we're anticipating this drop. XRP and XDC have a little link. Yep. Two different use cases, but yep, they are being suppressed together right now. Okay, so this guy's talking about, let's compare XRP gains to Ethereum gains. It's so funny. What price did you buy Ethereum at? What price? I bet you he didn't even make a 10x off of Ethereum. There's no way he bought below 400 bucks. 95 bucks. Okay, cool. What are you doing with your life now? You're hanging out in my TikTok hating. Clearly you haven't made it, bro. If you're in someone's TikTok hating, you haven't made it in life. Okay? I have no hate for you. You're the one here in my chat telling me that 3 to 5x gains aren't good. Well, Ethereum is an SEC-backed monopoly. Absolutely. That's the only reason that Ethereum went. Yep. I mean, at this point, I would be ashamed as an American to be holding Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's how far I would take this. I would be ashamed as an American to be holding these coins that are part of the organized plan to keep America held back. I would be ashamed to hold Bitcoin, proof of shit coin right now. Yeah, and that's the thing is these guys act like they made money on their Ethereum or Bitcoin. They haven't even taken profits yet. They're still holding them. I just watched a TikTok about a guy talking about the only thing to hold during a bear market's Bitcoin. So you can catch a 50 to 90% drop? That's why you hold Bitcoin? There's no reason to hold any crypto during a bear market. They all drop 50 to 90%. The only reason to hold XRP is because it's in a staged lawsuit and you don't know if you're going to be able to buy it again. Other than that, why would you hold any of these cryptos in a bear market? The haters saying that we aren't in a bear market. Bro, Bitcoin dropped 40%. A 20% drop is technically a bear market by definition. I'm not popular on TikTok for saying that, but it's the truth. Go look at the technical definition, the trader's definition of a bear market. It's a 20% pullback. A bull run is a 20% gain. We're in a bear market. We aren't trading stocks. Yes, I understand it's crypto. Same thing applies though. Do you want to see your bag drop 20 to 40%? Ethereum's going to get smashed in this bear market. It's going to get absolutely smashed. No one's building on it anymore. The only reason why it's had success up to this point is because it had the free pass, but it's a dead project. No one's building on it. Proof of stake, the upgrade, just like Bitcoin, proof of shit. It's doing nothing. No one's building on it anymore. We're just still forced to use it. But we already have the alternatives that have done so well recently. If you look at the top 20 coins, they're all Ethereum competitors. Ethereum's dead. Big Ben, so true. You know we always got the haters pulling up. They got nothing better to do. Kintama says, I hold ETH always to pull gains out of nodes and DAOs. Yeah, I mean, that's the thing is you have to like use ETH if you're getting into all these different projects right now. Just the way that, just the positioning of the market right now, you almost have to use Ethereum if you're doing all that shit. I don't mess around with that stuff, but yeah, that's like the only reason to hold ETH at this point. That's right, Ben. If you got one hater, get you 10 more to sign you're doing something right. We got plenty of haters, but they still follow, they still tune into all the lives, and we appreciate that. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for having the conversation. AVAX. See? Me and the hater agree. AVAX, solid project. We can agree. Pompliano getting mad because Shiba Inu holders made more profits. That's so funny. The Bitcoin maxis are the most delusional. Then tell people AVAX. I have been. I've said the Avalanche is a solid project. As it approaches its all-time high that it already hit, take your profits and ladder out. It's not going to 2x its previous all-time high, so we can talk about it. It's a solid project. Your gains are not going to be as good as the cryptos I'm holding over the next month. Do I have Algo? I'm not holding Algorand right now. I took profits at $1.39, which we are back down to that price. What are we at? $1.56. So it's gone up 15% in the last week, but it was back down at $1.30 just about a week ago. So I already took profits on Algorand. I'm waiting to load up on Algorand in the bear market again. So a lot of these others like solid projects that I'm a fan of, like Avalanche, like Algorand, like Quant. I've never held Quant. I'm looking to get into them during the bear market. Cosmos, that's one that I'm going to actually look to add during the bear market. HBAR, looking to add it during the bear market. Metaverse coins, avoiding all of them. Facebook's meta is going to dominate the metaverse. In my opinion, all these coins are a joke. In my opinion, all the metaverse coins, I don't think that they're going to make it. Mark Zuckerberg, the alien that he is going to dominate the metaverse. Like it or not, I just believe that that's how it's going to play out. Yeah, AVAX people are using it to pull gains too. It's not a hodl coin so much as a pull gains from staking type coin. Yep. Yeah, AVAX is really solid. God, I mean, anything's better than Ethereum. That's the thing. What do I think about VXV? I'm bullish on data moving to blockchains. I'm not bullish on a speculative, volatile coin like VXV, like running huge amounts of data sets. I just don't think that they're going to use a coin that is speculative, that retail traders are holding and trading for their data sets. It's an interesting technology, but that's the problem that I see with VXV. Conspiracy time. Facebook owns Oculus. HBAR Metaverse uses Oculus. Possible Facebook HBAR ties. Yeah, I could see something like that. HBAR is tied in big time over there in China. Big time. Which I got to be careful what I'm talking about. TikTok, I love China. Big fan. Is there a chance you won't be able to buy XRP anymore? Yes, that's why I don't mess around with it. I'm selling all of my cryptos. Probably over the next month, I will offload all of my cryptos besides XRP because I'm worried about being able to get it again. Thoughts on Solana? Solid project. It's a little bit centralized, but it's solid. If the bear market comes, what's going to happen with XRP? Well, it's hard to speculate because there's a lot of variables that go into that equation. If the settlement happens, XRP can miss the bear market straight up. I'm not trying to get anyone like too hyped on that. I'm just being straight up. If it does settle up, XRP will have clarity. It'll be the only crypto that actually has clarity, and it can miss the bear market. Now, if the settlement hasn't occurred, we're still in the middle of the lawsuit, and the bear market comes, XRP is going to pull back 50 to 90%. I'm expecting XRP to go to $7 to $13 over the next month, and then a 50 to 90% pullback. Unless we have a settlement, unless the case wraps up, then XRP will have clarity and it'll probably miss the bear market for the most part. They will give the solo airdrop on January 20th. Do I believe there's any chance of an XRP buyback? There is a chance, but I don't really believe that it's going to happen. There's enough XRP in escrow that Ripple could just work out a deal with the Federal Reserve to give them 5 billion XRP, 10 billion XRP, however much the Fed wants. They can just get from Ripple's escrow account. They don't need to buy it back from us. They don't need to buy it back from us at $37,000. But I do think that there is a potential that a buyback could be proposed, could be offered to XRP holders. Maybe you'd have the option of opting into that. But in no way am I banking on an XRP buyback at $37,000 per coin. People get that twisted. The haters misconstrue what I'm saying. I'm not saying that there's going to be a buyback. There was a real proposal that was sent to the Federal Reserve. The terms of the buyback were $37,000 per coin. That was the terms of the proposal. I don't think that's going to happen though. It's like I bring up the buyback and I say it's not going to happen, and the haters still just think that I'm like trying to press on saying that it's going to happen. In every video that I've made about the buyback, I've made the disclaimer. I don't think it's going to happen. People just misconstrue what I'm saying and think that I'm just pushing straight hype and hopium 24/7 for XRP, when in fact I'm saying I don't believe that a buyback's going to happen. If the case is not over, there's going to be a 50 to 90% pullback once the bear market hits. I'm not just trying to hype this thing up for no reason. How much is XRP going to drop in the coming weeks? It can drop 20% easily. We've already done 10% today. I think that we're going to hold 76 cents is a good support. As long as we don't break below 50 cents for XRP, really what we're watching right now, guys, is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin breaks below 40K and we start closing $40,000 daily candles for Bitcoin, that's when we get concerned. That's when a bear market is setting in. So as long as Bitcoin holds above 42K, we're still sitting good. This is all by design, absolutely. Everything is connected, absolutely. Rise says, what's up? Tell him what's up, Ben. Tell him what's up. How long is he gonna be here? Got to get together with my boy. I got to make sure that he swoops up some XRP before they flip the switch. Bitcoin allowed me to buy more altcoins. Nice. I mean, that's a good play. That's a good play, Norseman. Yeah. If you made your money off of Bitcoin, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you guys that made your money off these other coins. XRP $10 to $13 this cycle is programmed. Absolutely. The 4.236 Fibonacci extension takes us to $8. $7 to $13 is my target. If we don't have a settlement next month, it'll be a 50 to 90% pullback from there. That does take us back to $2. Even $1 is possible. So be prepared for that. If we do hit $10 for XRP, I'm going to sell 5% of my bag. That's my XRP exit strategy. If we hit $10, I'll sell 5% of my bag. Sold my Solo for profit a few days ago. Bought Algorand. Nice. And more XRP. Nice. Love it. Love it. I sold out of my Sologenic 2 into XRP. Played it pretty well. Didn't time the top perfectly, but we made some XRP off that move. What's up? What's up? How's it going, guys? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Appreciate you guys for coming in tonight. YouTube, if you guys could hit that thumbs up button for me, that would be greatly appreciated. And also make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I'm going live next. We've been hitting YouTube hard, guys. If you guys haven't checked that out after this stream, make sure you go subscribe on over there. Been dropping content daily. I'm going to wrap up this stream. I got some Christmas Eve activities to attend to, but I appreciate you guys for coming in tonight, hanging out. Like I said, we got some new videos over on YouTube. Make sure you go check those out. I dropped the equation. For all you haters in the chat, I dropped the equation. You can tell me how high XRP is going to go to. Okay, just dropped it on TikTok. It's on YouTube as well. The ultimate XRP equation to calculate how much XRP is going to go to. You guys let me know. Other than that, I appreciate all of you guys. I hope you have a fantastic Christmas, holidays, and we will see you in the next one. Take care. God bless. Appreciate all of you guys. Thank you.